Good morning, children. Today I am explaining the poem 28 The Elf Singing. An elf sat on a twig. He was not very big. He sang a little song. He did not think it wrong, but he was on a wizard's ground who hated all sweet sounds. In this poem, the poet says that elf means an imaginary creature with magical powers. The elf was sitting on a twig, a small thin branch of a tree, and the elf was not very big. He was small and he was singing a song. And the elf thought that singing song is not wrong, but he was on the wizard's ground. He was a wizard. Wizard means a man who is believed to have magical powers. And that wizard hated all sweet sounds. Elf, take care of yourself. He is coming behind you to seize you and bind you and stifle your song. The poet warned the elf. The poet told the elf, "Oh elf, you must take care of yourself because the wizard is coming behind you. The wizard is coming behind you to bind you. The wizard wanted to bind you, to tie you tightly, and he wanted to hold you quickly. So be careful and stifle. Stifle means to stop from to stop something from happening. The wizard, he changes his shape in crawling along an ugly old ape, a poisonous lizard. The poet says that the wizard. The poet was the elf that the wizard is changing his shapes. First, the wizard turns into a crawling, ugly old ape, and then it turns into a poisonous lizard, a spotted spider, a wormy glider. The wizard is up on the bough. He will bite through your gizzard. He's close to you now. And then the poet says that the wizard takes the shape of a spotted spider and then it turns into a flying worm. The poet tells the elf that the wizard is coming up on the branch of a tree. Bough means a large branch of a tree, and he will bite through his stomach. The wizard is quite close to the elf. The elf went on with his song. It grew more clear and strong. It lifted him into air. He floated singing away with rainbows in his ear. However, the elf went on with his song. The elf was singing, and now his song grew clearer and stronger. And the elf lifted himself into the air, and he floated singing away with rainbows in his hair. While the wizard worm from his grip made a sudden leap, fell down into a hole, and before his magic word he could say was eaten up by a mole. Meanwhile, the wizard made a sudden leap from the place where he was creeping. He fell into a hole and before saying his magical word. ERE means before. Mole. Then a mole eaten ate the wizard. Mole means a small dark furry animal that lives under the ground, and this mole ate the wizard. Children, I hope you understood this poem, learn this poem for oral exam, and write all the rhyming words of this poem. Thank you.